Welcome back. Last time we solved proportions using cross multiplication. We also learned how to write one. Now, these two are really simple. You can use a cross multiplication, or you can say from 2 to 4, what happened? What number did 2 multiply? 2 times 2, which means 3 need also times 2, which means x is 6. Now, remember, you can use a cross multiplication, or you can ask yourself a question, does this number multiplied another quantity become next one? All right, this one we can try cross multiplication. 3 times 35 equals y times 13. And then you can solve it by 3 times 35 divided by 13. Okay? All right. Did you have y is, let me see, I have 7. Okay? All right. Next one. These two are quite simple. We did it last time. Let's look at something a little bit different. N over n minus 12 equals 9 over 5. Use the cross multiplication. Let's see what happened. When you use cross multiplication, remember n minus 12 comes together. This relationship is multiplication. Therefore, 9 need to multiply by n. 9 also need to multiply by negative 12. So this is what is happening. You can go ahead and write them in the parentheses, or you can directly say, I'm going to write like this. If you write like this, you already skipped one step. If you write like this, and you know you're doing 9 times, open, close parentheses, n minus 12. Do not forget about the parentheses, because that will lead us to the wrong solution. Okay, the other part is n times 5, 5n. We already written down here, n equals 5n. Remember, earlier we talked about if you have variable on both sides, you can decide where do you want the variable stay. I'm going to let my variable stay on the left side. Therefore, I'm going to divide it by 5n divided by 5n. And I have 4n minus 9 times 12 equals 0. All right, I'm going to use the space right here. Later, I'm going to erase it. This constant is still on the left side. You're going to have it go to the right side. You're going to add to each side. Addition, property of equality. So 4n is 9 times 12. Did you see why I have not multiplied them yet? Because I'm thinking there will be a time I can simplify it. Yes, the time is now. 12 is 3 times 4. Now I can simplify. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Now what do we see? We see n is 27. Please pause this video and check your work, see if you have n is 27. If you don't, try to figure out which step you missed. To get everything done correctly, and sometimes we made a mistake, but we figure out why it's wrong. Both of them are important. All right, our last practice today. Cross multiplication. Remember, when you cross multiplication, to do baby step, make it safe, you're going to put them in the parentheses and cross multiplication. That's 13. I want to make sure I copy it down correctly. It is 13. All right. I'm not going to distribute first because I notice what is happening. 18. 18 is 3 times 6. I have a 6 here. I also have a 6 here, which means I can divide by 6 each side. This 6 is gone. Now, 6 is gone. Make this easier now. distributive. 3D minus 3 times 13 equals D plus 13. Okay? All right. Let's say 13 times 3, 3 times 13, that gives me 39. So I have 3D minus 39 equals D plus 13. I'm going to let my variable stay on the left side. So subtract D each side. Add 39 each side. Oh, run out of space. Can I move it to here? Okay. All right. So 3D minus D, I have 2D. And 13 plus 39, that gives me 52. All right, almost done. Divided by 2, divided by 2. Here comes D. D is 26. Did you also have 26? Good. We did this together. Happy learning.